हरि बोलो हरि बोल, 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 हरि बोलो हरि बोलो, हरि बोलो हरि बोल, 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 हरि बोलो हरि
Mike, oh, in the blue box? It's not in the blue box? No? Where's the blue box? Where is that? Which one? He went to park the car. Can you call him, please? Because my phone is...
Om Anjana Salakaya Chakshurmitam Jena Tasmai Sri Guravi Namah Guravi Gaura Chandraya Radhika Vitadali Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Namaha Vancha Kalvaduruvascha Kripa Sindhu Vaivacha Patitanang Pavanebho Vaishnavebho Namo Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Sri Gaura Bhakta Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Put the mridanga here, then people can sit. Haribol. Radha Sundari, sit here and put in the mridanga. Harmonium put in the other side. Then my place will come, then people can sit. Everybody come inside. বসুন বসুন তত আপনার ঘরে হরি কথা আপনারই যদি না শুনলেন তাহলে কে শুনবে এটা चाहिए नहीं ये ओके तो ये ওনার কি নাম হ্যাঁ জানো কি অনুরায় উনি কার কাছ থেকে দীক্ষা নিয়েছিলেন হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা আচ্ছা যাই হোক So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam and lotus feet of my spiritual master, Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauranga Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, and Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. So just I want to speak few words. I will not take too much your time because we have also another program. Then, so we also assembled here, gathering here for the remembrance his disappearance day. কব উনি গত কব হয়েছিলেন কি মাসে গিয়েছিলেন নভেম্বর 27 নভেম্বর 2024 ওকে anyhow and his son Subal no? Subal Prabhu, he is not in here but he is very sweet and also related in our Gaudiya Sampradayas. Subal किसे কাছ থেকে দীক্ষা নিয়েছিলেন আমাদের গুরুদেব কাছ থেকে okay so you are very happy you have come in our Vaishnav Sampradayas and especially related with our beloved Gurudev Sri Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj और आपने कार काछ থেকে দীক্ষা নিয়েছিলেন হ্যাঁ আপনার নেম হ্যাঁ না না আপনি স্পিরিচুয়াল নাম কি দিয়েছিলেন অনুরাধা দেবী দাস হ্যাঁ যখন কেউ দীক্ষা নেয় তখন তার নতুন জন্ম হয় we have two types of our birth one is called Shokra Janma, another is called Savitri Janma. Shokra Janma means that is called the birth of semen birth. This body is coming from our parents, mother and father. For this regard, this is called our Shokra Janma. Sanskrit word, this is called Shokra Janma. और Savitri Janma, when you receive Diksha mantra from Guru, Gayatri mantra, that is called Savitri Janma, taking Diksha mantra from Guru. Many lives we are taking birth and death, there isn't going on this way. Unlimited time. We are wandering in the same repeated birth and death. That is called Janma Mitru Chakra. The cycle of repeated birth and death. But when you receive Diksha mantra from Guru, bona fide Guru, that life is called perfect life. That is called the Daksha Janma. Daksha means Diksha. Initiation from bona fide Guru. So for this regard, Shastra saying that is called Dija. What is called? Dija means two meanings. Dija means Brahmana. Or Dija means second birth. Or Dija means also called bird. Pakshi. Then Pakshi, মায়ের পেট থেকে অন্ডাকার মানে ডিমের আকারে প্রকাশিত হয়, তারপরে ডিম থেকে বাচ্চা বের হয়। এই জন্য পক্ষীকেও বলা হয়, পাখিকে কি বলা হয়? দ্বিজ বলা হয়। And birds also taking birth from the womb of his mother in the form of egg. Then again